Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up in 10-bit, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for 10-bit in Google. Now right after that, you will be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you just need to click on it and you will be redirected to the official page of 10-bit, where you can see join option at top right corner shown in the screen. Just click on there and you will be redirected to the official registered page of 10-bit, where it is asking us for our gender, our first name, our last name, and our date of birth. Once you complete your credentials, click on next and you need to complete few more formalities, and finally you'll be able to sign up successfully. So basically this is how you can sign up in 10-bit, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.